Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add new user to Windows 10 without adding Microsoft account. To do this, go to your Windows settings. Next, go to Accounts. Here, choose Family and Other People. Now click Add someone else to this PC. At the bottom, choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next page, click Add a user without a Microsoft account. Here, choose your username and password as if you like. Now, log into your fresh account. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.